Now, isn't this cool? Look at that. Look how, and I have big mitts. Look at that. Doesn't matter if it's wet. Look how well my hand encompasses this huge 47 millimeter knob. Good morning, guys. Scuba Chris here. You know, I couldn't sleep last night. It bugged me that I was able to put on a Gomexus knob on the 8,000 Blue Azores. I was at 99% rate of doing it on the 6,000, and it occurred to me. So, what I did, I've been working here since dark. Okay, first you take this off. And I put everything on plastic here, so in case I lose anything, I can find it. All right. I got a couple of straight edges, but I prefer the shorter one. And on this one here, you turn to the right. I know turning to the right means you got to tighten, but when you do it on this type of system, turning to the right means you're loosening it. I want to show this to you because just telling you about it is not going to work, because you guys are going to need to know how to do this. There's a lot of the 6,000 Blue Azores out there. It's one of the more popular sellers. When Sports Authority was in business, I mean, this was one of the popular sellers. I got all of mine from them long before I became affiliated with Okuma. Okay. Here we go. This is where you're going to have to start being careful. All right. I just loosened this. Okay. Now, I already did the work. This is my drag stack of, see the washers? And what I did is I had already put two very thin washers in between the two brass bearings. And the secret was I had to put the two washers in there so there wouldn't be the wobble, and it's stuck on. But right here, I added on a third one. See that here? That is the stainless steel looking one here. That's the third washer. It took 3 micro washers to fix the problem, but the placement had to be perfect. The 2 of the thicker ones went in between the brass bearings. And, oh geez, okay, hold on. Everything is falling apart. So, this one came off. Hold on. Okay, this is the one here. That goes on this. You need this to eliminate the friction. There. Actually, this is a blessing this happened. First, brass bearing goes on. And then you get 2 other type of washers. You have in the accessory pack, they give accessory pack, you use the thick one. And you slide, oh shoot. Okay. You put this one on, and it's falling apart. Why is it falling apart? Okay. Here. First one on. I got the second one. Put the second one on. And to make it really fit, I've added a third one. Go in between. Now they do give you an accessory kit of extra parts, so everything you need comes with this. Here's the third one. So that's what the stack looks like now. Put the other last brass piece on. That's all you have to do. That raised it enough so you don't have that chick, 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 chick. It was like a couple micromillimeter play in it. This will get rid of it. Now you have a screw with the original bearing down in here. So what I do now, trust me, I've been doing this for so long now. I'm learning by my mistakes. To tighten this, you tighten just wrist tight. Look at that. Doesn't jingle back and forth, just free spins. That was what I needed. It was just those other few, see, and the thing is, doesn't move, just spins. So now, screw the top back on. And look at that. Problem taken care of. It's no jiggling back and forth. The problem is fixed. So there you go. I used, let's see, do I have an extra one? Yeah. I used the 47 millimeter, and this is for the Daiwa. It says it's for the Daiwa, Daiwa L on it. So it's the stock number. Here's the stock number of that item. I got a bunch of those. I actually gave one to a friend of mine, Thomas McKinley, because he has the same type of reel. That's the Hungry Fisherman. So look at that. It works, guys. It works. So that's a really big knob. I mean, but you know, for the 6,000, it's a powerful reel. There you go. I fixed it. So 100%, not 99%, 100%, this will work on, this Gomexus kit will work on the Blue Azores. Thank you. So here's my finished product. I'm using the 6,000 Blue Azores on my 12-foot Nasika. Now the Nasika is rated for 1 to 4 ounces. So this is what I call my medium surf casting kit. The reel can handle more, the rod can handle more. In fact, if you saw one of my other videos, this rod took the hit of an Alua and I was fighting it in. So an Alua is a GT. So this is it's kind of like a color coordinated set, but it's still a very good surf casting rig for medium. And the rod is very inexpensive. You wouldn't believe how inexpensive it is. And the reel is, well, I forgot how much the reel was, but it's not a bad price either. Thank you.